Hey guys, this is how to transfer from Etoro to crypto.com. So guys, watch till the end as I show you a step-by-step guide, and I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. So guys, first one is just simply open the Etoro Money app and just simply sign in into your account. From there guys, just simply select the type of crypto you want to transfer and just simply tap on send. And after that guys, just simply enter the amount that you want to send to the recipient public address. And from there, guys, a pop-up window will show up and just simply tap on the send again to confirm it. And after that, guys, an SMS code will be sent to your phone. And from there, just simply provide the code and just simply tap on verify. And guys, remember that it is a one-way transfer, so crypto cannot be transferred back to eToro once you have sent it out, and eToro may request additional documents for a verification. And guys, remember that transfers are not processed, especially on weekends or national holiday. And guys, the time for coins to appear in the wallet depends on the blockchain, and it is beyond eToro's control. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching.